Most people think front doors fade because of age, but that's not the real reason. Hi, we're DoorRenew. Today we're breaking down the real reason front doors fade, the myths homeowners believe, and how to stop it from happening again without replacing your door. The myth, old doors fade. What homeowners think, it's just old, that's normal wear and tear, it happens to every door. The truth, some doors fade in 3 years, others last 15 plus years. Age alone isn't the cause. The real number one cause, UV radiation. What's actually happening? Sunlight contains ultraviolet radiation that breaks down pigments, destroys protective resins, and dries out finishes. Over time, UV exposure bleaches color, dulls sheen, and causes cracking and peeling. This happens even on fiberglass doors, steel doors, and factory finish doors. South and west-facing doors receive the most direct sunlight year-round. These doors fade faster, dry out sooner, and need refinishing more often. A shaded door in Minnesota can outlast a sunny door in Michigan. Factory door finishes are applied quickly, designed for mass production, and not customized for door orientation. They're not designed for intense UV exposure, long-term outdoor punishment, and southern or western sun angles. Paint often makes fading worse. Paint traps moisture, cracks under heat expansion, fades unevenly, and peels when UV breaks it down. Paint failure isn't cosmetic, it accelerates damage underneath. Professional refinishing uses UV inhibitors, flexible coatings, penetrating sealers, and multi-layer protection. This chemistry absorbs UV energy, prevents pigment breakdown, and slows oxidation dramatically. This is why refinished doors often last longer than factory finishes. Cleaning and DIY fixes often don't work. Common homeowner attempts: power washing, touch-up kits, clear coat sprays, and frequent repainting. These treat symptoms, not the cause. UV damage requires removal of degraded finish and replacement with UV-resistant coatings. Why replacement doesn't solve the problem? A new door faces the same sun, uses similar factory finishes, and starts fading immediately. Without UV-rated refinishing, replacement just resets the clock. DoorRenew removes failed finish, repairs UV damage, applies commercial-grade UV-resistant coatings, and seals against moisture and heat. So front doors don't fade because they're old. They fade because they're unprotected from UV radiation. And once you fix that, the problem stops. If your door is faded, peeling, or washed out, DoorRenew can restore and protect it. Stop replacing. Start renewing. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.